Hello everyone. Today I'm going to make Atta halwa. It is a very rich dessert made of ghee, sugar and wheat flour. This is usually offered to everyone in the gurdwara and also known as Kada Prasad. It is a very simple recipe and I hope you will try it. The ingredients needed for making this halwa is 1 cup atta or wheat flour, 1 cup sugar, half cup clarified butter or ghee, half cup chopped cashew nuts or any other nuts, and 2 cups water. First, we will make the sugar solution, and for that take water in a pan and bring it to boil. Then add the sugar to it and stir well till it dissolves. Keep it aside. Now put a frying pan on medium flame, add ghee to it, stir it till the ghee melts. Add the atta to the ghee and stir it till the ghee and atta are well mixed. Now add the chopped nuts to it and keep on roasting till you get a beautiful aroma and the atta turns golden brown. Then add the sugar solution to it and keep on stirring so that it does not form lumps. Cook till the atta comes together and starts leaving ghee. It will also not stick to the sides of the pan. So now the halwa is ready. Remove from heat and cool it. Serve it at room temperature. You can also garnish it with nuts if you want. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon for regular updates. See you next time.